Hey friends, let's jump straight into the intro. We're going to start with a B flat sus2. So we have the first fret on the A string, third on the D and the G, first on the B and the E. And we're going to play the A string, then the E, the B and the G. Then we're jumping to a D minor chord. We're going to play open D string, G and B. So, and just strum a C chord and just strum down to the B string. So we have play the B flat sus2 again. This time come up to a D minor, and we're going to use the bar chord here because we want the right voicing. So we're going to play 5th fret on the A string, 7 on the G, 6 on the B. Then just come back to a C bar chord and again play down to the B string. And we do that 2 times for the intro. So slowly, the D minor to the C, B flat sus2 again, D minor coming up to the C, and that's our intro there. So we're going to start on our B flat sus2 again, do that the same as the intro, to our D minor, to our C, back to our B flat sus2. This time go to an F sus4, we're going to play 3A, 3G and 1 on the E, to an F. Our B flat sus2 again, up to our D minor bar chord, same as the intro, to our C. Then we're going to come to 5th fret on the G, 5 on the E, 6 on the B, 5 on the G. Play open A and 1st fret on the B and the E. So back to our B flat sus2, to our D minor again, to our C, B flat sus2 again. This time we're going to a C, so play the 3rd fret on the A, 1st fret on the B, open E, and then go to an F chord. Back to our B flat sus2, to our D minor, to our C. Then to finish that part off, we're going to come up to an F. We're going to play 8 on the A, 8 on the E, 10 B, 10 G, and do that 2 times. Then come back to 6 on the A, play 8 on the E, 5 on the E, 6 on the B. So we have, and that's our keyboard part. We're doing it on the guitar. Now let's have a look at the guitar part as well for our verse. So we're just palm muting this time the B flat, just a power chord 4 times. Come up to a D and just do it 3 times. Come back to the C and we do it 9 times. So we do it 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the B flat again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time go to C 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then come up to our D 9 times. It'll be 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the first one again, B flat 4 times. D 3 times, back to C, and 3 and 4 and then come up to F, do 1 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then come back to 6 on the A and keep playing 10 on the D and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and there. And that's the second guitar. So our chorus, we're just starting on D minor, strum 1, hold for 4, F, do the same, B flat the same, back to F, back to the D minor, back to the F, to our B flat, then come back to F again, strum it, and then we're going to play E, B, G, D, G, B, G. So back to the B flat and then go down up, D minor, strum, and then play G, B, first foot on the E, open E, B, G. So, and then just our C and hold for 4 there. And that's our chorus. So our little post-chorus, we have 2 guitar parts again. We're just starting with our B flat sus2 the same, up to our D minor bar chord the same, and to our C bar chord, and we do that 2 times. Then we have the second guitar as well. Let me do that for you. Starting on this B flat, we're going to play first fret on the E string, third fret on the D, first A, third on the D. Come up to a D, we're going to play 5A, 7D, 7Gs. Then come back to an F, we're going to play first fret on the E, then A, D, A, D, back to first fret on the E, D, A, D. And we just do that 2 times there, and that's our post-chorus. Then we have our verse again. Now the only change here, on the first one we go up to the D minor bar chord, so up to the D minor bar chord, and the rest stays the same. Now let's have a look at the second guitar. In our first verse, the second guitar started halfway through. In this verse we're going to be playing the whole time. So again, we're just starting with our B flat, just play A, D and do that 2 times. Then come up to 5A, 3 on the D and do that 2 times. So 5, 3, 5, 3. Then go back to 3 on the A and the D and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have do the B flat again. This time go 3 on A and D 2 times. Now go to F, we're going to play E, A, D, back to A and do that 2 times. Go back to our first one again, 5 and 3, 3 and 3. Then this part we're going to go back to the F again, 1 on the E, 3, A, do that 2 times. And then go to an A, we're going to play open A string 2nd fret on the D 2 times. Back to our first one again, the 5 and 3, the 3s. Back to the second one this time, the 3s, and to our F. To finish off, we go back to the first one again, 5 and 3, the 3s, and then we're just palm muting our F, 8th notes there, 1 bar. And our 6 and 10 like we did in the previous verse. And that's our second verse there. From there we have our chorus and that's exactly the same. So again we're just doing exactly the same. Our B flat sus2 to our D minor, to our C. Do that 3 times and then we finish like we did in the verse on our F. Coming back to our 6 and then the E, 8, 5 and 6 on the B, so 2 times there. And that's our little post-chorus there. again it's going to be the same as our previous chorus. D minor for a bar, F for a bar, B flat for a bar, F for a bar, D minor for a bar, F for a bar, B flat for a bar. This time we play the F and we're going to play the D, B, G, E, B, G. Then strum the B flat and then we're going to play the B, G, E, B, G. And our D minor, the same we did in the other chorus. Then we're just palm muting on C, 1 and 2 and 3. And that's our second chorus. So this time we're doing the outro. We're going to have the B flat again with the sus2 exactly the same, up to the D minor, same again, to the C. Do that 6 times, and the 7th time we do the same again, first start. When we go to the D minor, this time we're going to play the A string, B and E, and then come up to a B, bar chord there, then just go back to the first one and repeat that again. The D minor to our C, and just keep doing that to the end, and then we have guitar 2. We don't play the first 4 times through, then we just play our B flat, A, D, come up to 5, A, 3 on the D, do that 2 times, 5, 3, 5, 3, and then back to our 3 and 3, and we do that 4 times, and repeat that again, up to our 5 and 3, to our 3. The next time play the B flat again, come up to our 5 and 3, then we're going to F, so play 1 on the E, 3 on the D 4 times. And then we just go back to the first one and repeat that to the end, and that's all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Bette Davis Eyes Guitar Lesson by Kim Carnes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam metal, rock and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'll see you soon.